Hello, today I'm going to be going over recording on Google Hangouts. So the first thing you want to do is type in your Google, log into your Google account or whatever. So I'm already logged in. On the right hand side, I'm going to hit the square with the dots and you're going to see all the apps through Google can use. I'm going to scroll down. I'm in Hangouts. It's bring me to my Hangout page and say, hello, Gianna, get started by calling or messaging a friend below. You have a lot of options on this page. Right on the left hand side, this huge white bubble is where you have chats. I don't have any recent chats, so I'm welcome to start a new one. If I start a new conversation, I can type in any email of anyone that I would like to have a conversation with, and we can chat through there. You can see I have one friend through there that I can message. Also, as you go towards the center of the page, you can hit video call. Now, you have allow Hangouts to use your microphone. You can hit never for this website. Don't allow. So I'm going to allow. It's going to allow me to use my microphone. Next, you can invite people. Now, you can invite, let's say you need a video call, a teacher, some friends about a project that you can't meet up. You can do anyone. So you can type in their Gmail and it invites them. They will get a notification and an email, however the notifications are set up, and they'll be invited. They'll be able to click on a link, sign into their Google Hangouts, and it'll bring them to their call with you. And you guys will be able to chat. If you need to study or go over work, you'll be able to see it on there. And you'll be also able to copy your link through Google Hangouts to share. So I don't really have anyone to share it with, so you can see me now and I can invite people. And you can also end the call, change the microphones. If I end the call, I left the meeting, you can do a regular phone call. It's almost like a phone, and just talk to them there, and you can message them. On the far left hand side, you have a bunch of tabs. We have our menu tab, where you can have different contacts. You can add contacts. You can have conversations, phone calls, invite people. You also have different apps. You can have it through your Android, iOS, Chrome, and your Hangout styler, and you have your settings. So all of this. So basically, Google Hangouts is really a way of conversating with people. Is a different way of conversating with people on a different type of platform that can be really helpful, especially when it comes to classes or people in school. You don't want to give people your phone number, but it's better through email, to keep your life more private and also organized, so that way everything's not going on your phone. So I hope this helped.